Hi everybody, today we're going to talk about the project for Prrecalculus B. So this one is going to be about what professions depend on the use and knowledge of calculus. So that's what we're going to start out. The tasks are grouped by twos, and they're usually due every other week. So just be careful when you're doing the dates. Most of it's going to be a web quest and a journal entry. And then we're going to summarize our work and reflect on the importance of a journal. And what I always remember is that, people that are really successful are usually the ones who journal. So it's a great time to reflect, not only for this project, but also for other projects and basically your life. So let's talk about task 1 and task 2. We're going to talk about how our logarithms used in the business world. I'm only looking for 3 or 4 sentences. That's it. Remember, we're using scholarly writing, not email or text writing. So make sure you write with full sentences and you have a good idea and focus about what you're writing. We're going to switch from the business world and log functions, and we're going to talk for task 3 and 4 on how different polling groups end up with different polling results on the same topic or question. And you can use the election, you could use, you can use it in the arts, who wore it the best. That's always in People magazine. Just a few sentences again, and see if you can find 2 different polling events. If that's too difficult, then just give me an example of results. For example, you could do an election where CBS said one thing and CNN said another. So then we're going to talk about task 5 and 6. You're going to journal entry. You're going to do a little research on sequences. If you lost your compass in the woods. And then something that is closer to my heart, because I used to survey, how do aerial surveyors use triangle similarity? All right, just a few sentences on what you found out. Task 9 and 10 is how do weather almanacs predict the weather months in advance. Just a few sentences about that. And then in 11 and 12, write a brief summary of your journal's development. In other words, how do you approach doing the journal? How do you look back on it? What it means to you. Just a few sentences on just a reflection at this point. Okay? You don't have to retell me everything you said in the first 10 tasks. Just a little bit about how it's developed and how it's affected you. Task 13 and 14, you're going to consider the types of require advanced math, including those professions you have explored in this unit, and choose one that interests you and write a job posting similar to the one you would find in an online recruitment service. So I'm looking for what the job is, what education the job requires, and what you'll be doing about the job. And we're going to record that in the journal, and instead of submitting it to the course website, that just means you're submitting it to the areas where it says you submit documents to. All right. And lastly, we're going to write and submit a reflective essay on the learning experience for the Connect to Community project. So that's task 15 and 16. So enjoy. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a really fun project and gives you a little break from Alex too. You have a super day. Thank you.